Hi guys, we've got a traditional Welsh coracle here from West Wales, just outside of Cardigan, a small place called Cilgerran, where they're a traditional fishing vessel, been around for hundreds of years. Some say they date back to the Ark. What we've got here is a traditional made kids Tivy coracle. It's used for fishing. There's two boats on the river, and you have a net drifting down with the current to catch sea trout and salmon. These are made traditionally with a wooden seat, and you've got willow collected locally in the woods locally, which is made of a willow lath, which is a stick of willow shaved in half and made into a nice thin lath there. We've also got hazel canes, which make up the top, which is a weave around the top there, as you can see up the top. They make the canes, and to actually propel the vessel, we've got a paddle. Okay, the paddle there. That is generally made out of ash. Okay, we fish from April through to August this time of year, catching as I said, catching the sea trout and the salmon. We can fish from a place called Cilgerran Bridge all the way down to Cardigan, and all the fishing's done at night, after dark. Really nice time of night to be out. Nice and peaceful. It's all done in the dark, so the fish don't see the net as much. And there's 12 licenses on the river at the moment, which is the regulations. So there's 12 pairs on the river. These are being made by local Welsh people, locally in the village and also in the local area. The canvas or the cover is made of a nylon cloth, where it traditionally used to be cowhide, but it's been converted over to a nylon cloth with modern times, and it's also got a bitumen paint on it, or a bitumen pitch, which makes it nice and watertight. If you ever want to see us doing this, it's in Cilgerran, West Wales. As I said, between April and August, so you can come on down just on dark and have a look and have a go. How's that?
It's fine and easy.